And now I'm going to show you why the live commentary is very, very useful for search engines, for search engine optimization. As we know, search engines cannot execute any Flash movies or any JavaScript. They cannot run that kind of content. So they're checking out the page, checking out the source code of the page, and if they see something they like, they're going to pay more attention and increase the ranking for that particular page or for that particular website when queried for a particular set of keywords. Now this is where it gets interesting, because um, the live in-play commentary generates source code like this, which is already present in the body of the website. It's not loading dynamically from a different location, but it's already over there. It's already there in the HTML of the page. So this means that the search engine is going to see a lot more stuff in one of these pages, as opposed to, let's take for instance this league page for MLB, where it just sees a bunch of words and a bunch of random numbers which make no sense. But this page, on the other hand, has a lot of actual content which is unique and is properly translated to the right language, because we translate everything is translated automatically. So this is very, very helpful for SEO, for search engine optimization. Of course, this doesn't mean that the website will get ranked number one because of this. It takes a little bit more work to optimize a website for search engine visibility, but this helps a lot. The in-play live commentary helps a lot. We've been looking at the league tables previously. Oh, there we go. For instance, this is content from InetPulse, which is one of our data feed providers. It allows us to publish league schedules and history like this with inline scores, and we can also open one of these events and maybe go to check some of the historic odds, or maybe check the live commentary or something like that. This is again player lineups. We've seen this previously, and this is how an example page looks just after the event has finished. There we go. So this is the score, and then we get the live stats, and then we get the live ticker. So all this information is updating in real time as the event is played. And this is again some old. There we go. Last matches. So in case players wanted to look play history for Manchester City, for instance, they get these little snippets that show us how the team has been performing in the past. So their betting is actually influenced greatly by this. And we're also working on implementing some kind of visual layout, sort of a graph showing how many matches they've lost, how many they've won, and so on and so forth during the last